We're searching for ideally 4 new justices to join the bench to build resilience there. Currently we have a bench of 12. It's always helpful to have more and to have them on rotation. The role is an important one. It's the first port of call for all criminal matters in the Falkland Islands. The JPs, their powers in dealing with criminal matters is limited, but the first hearing for any matter, whether it's a more minor criminal offence or a very serious one, the first hearing is always in the summary court.
Yeah, I'm Gerry Gentoo, and the address is Sanju number 2, Gypsy Cove.
And your date of birth?
7th of May 2000.
And that makes you 24 years old.
Yeah, I've always looked rather old for my age.
So, Mr. Gentoo, you appear before the court for one offence, which I will now read to you and ask you to enter your plea. On 1st July 2024, at South Atlantic Fish Processing Warehouse, you are said to have assaulted Samuel C. Lyon by beating him, contrary to Section 70 of the Crimes Ordinance 2014. Do you plead guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
Guilty. Thank you.
At 10:45 in the morning, the shift workers all went on their break to the staff room. Once inside the staff room, the defendant went to the biscuit tin. He looked inside and found that the only choice of biscuit available was a chocolate penguin biscuit. Witnesses described the defendant as becoming so angry he could hardly speak. He turned to the complainant and he shouted, "Why did you pick these penguins? I wanted Biscoff." Then, without warning, the defendant launched the biscuit tin across the staff room towards the complainant.
I was provoked into doing that.
Perhaps the defendant could sit quietly and listen to the facts against him before he's sentenced.
I've been a Justice of the Peace here in the Falklands now 25 years this year, in fact. I'm currently the longest serving active JP in the Falklands. It's really nice to be able to put something back and be able to take part and give something to the community in this way. And it is a very, very important role in delivering justice in the summary court. It's ensuring that justice is done in the islands, but it's good and important, I think, that people from within the community are judged by people from within their community. It's a great honour to be able to serve and it does give you quite a high degree of pride that you're doing your bit. It is an important role and the input from anybody is always very, very welcome. But you know, if you're thinking about it, get in touch with Aisha or Laura in the court or any of the JPs. I'm quite an approachable person and I'm happy to sit down over a coffee and chat about it. But if you're thinking about it, do more than think about it, do it.